Lively Learning for Kids.
Episode 4.
Our plan for today.
1. Math. We will be doing fun math mazes.
2. Words Workshop. We will be unscrambling letters to form challenging words.
3. Science. We will be learning about the weather.
4. Fun Activity. We will be doing a fun flower dot to dot.
1. Math.
Animal Math.
First, solve the equation.
Then put the correct amount of animals in the box.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
1 plus 2 is
3.
So we would put 3 monkeys.
2 plus 2 is
4, so we would put 4 chicks.
9 minus 7 is
2, so we would put
2 frogs.
1 plus 1 is
2.
so we would put 2 pigs.
Find the path.
Find your way through the maze to the duckling.
Then find the sum of the numbers that you passed through.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
3 plus 6 plus 1 equals
10.
well done.
2. Words Workshop.
Compose a word.
Unscramble the letters to match the picture shown.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
The word was mountain.
This is spelled M
O U
N
T
A
I
N
S. Mountains.
Do the same thing for this picture.
Pause the video here.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
The word was flowers. Flowers is spelled F
L
O
W
E
R
S. Flowers. 3. Science.
Weather matching.
Match the picture to the correct description.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
Cloudy matches with the cloud.
Rainy matches with the cloud with the rain.
Storm matches with the thunder and lightning.
Sunny matches with the sun.
Weather matching part 2.
Do the same thing.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
In the day we have
A rainbow and
the sun,
in the night we have
the moon,
and
stars. 4. Fun activity.
flower dot to dot.
Start from dot 1 and connect the dots until dot 16.
Pause the video here and try to connect the dots. We're back and we'll be going over what we drew.
This is what we drew. Vocabulary.
We got challenging and
Weather.
challenging means difficult or hard.
Weather means the state of the atmosphere at a place and time as regards heat, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc.
References.
Slidesgo.com for the slides theme,
Google.com for the vocabulary, and
dots to dot net for the flower dot to dot.
Thank you! Have any questions? Email us at livelylearningforkids@gmail.com.
Credits. This presentation template was created by SlidesGo, including icon by FlatIcon and infographics and images by FruitPick. Are you looking for extra practice?
You can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids.
You can also find more about us,
all of our videos,
our extra practices,
and any frequently asked questions. Make sure you like our video,
share our video,
and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye!